Here's the truth. Not all exercise bikes with screens are created equal, and the screen only matters if the ride, metrics, and content keep motivation high without locking into a clunky ecosystem. Stick around because the top 2 on this list seriously punch above their price, with smart connectivity and rock-solid feel. In its breakdown 5 through 1, there's candid talk about where each bike shines and where it face plants a little, plus real-world ride impressions on resistance feel, fit, screen usability, and app compatibility, so picking gets easy fast. 5. Freebeat stationary bike smart indoor cycling bike. Let's start with the Freebeat. On paper, it's enticing. A large built-in touchscreen, rhythm-style workouts, and a compact frame that's lighter than typical attached screen bikes, yet still feels stable at speed, which surprised me on sprints and out-of-saddle climbs. The 21.5-inch 1080p rotatable display looks crisp, pivots for off-bike strength work, and the auto-resistance feature helps match workout cues without fiddling mid-interval, which is great when legs are on fire and attention is thin. Connectivity is straightforward with dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth 5.0. Speakers are decent for a small room, and the belt drive keeps things quiet enough for apartments, which is a win if neighbors are thin-walled. Here's what matters. The content lives inside Freebeat's own app, and full access requires a monthly membership, which, to be fair, is industry standard, but still means recurring cost on top of the hardware. You get rhythm-based beat, power method rides, and some cross-training, but right now there's no live class schedule and the platform isn't natively open to popular third-party apps like Zwift or Peloton. You're basically in Freebeat's garden, which can be fine until it isn't. Also, while the auto resistance is fun, cadence choreography rides can encourage upper body movement that's more dancey than biomechanically clean. Great for fun, a bit less great for pure training, especially if power structure is the goal. Now, ride feel. Magnetic resistance ramps smoothly, and the firmware keeps the bike responsive even when cadence changes quickly. Interval transitions feel immediate, not syrupy, which helps for HIAT blocks. 4. BowFlex Indoor Cycling Exercise Bike, IC Bike SE/C. BowFlex takes a different tack. Instead of a giant attached tablet, there's a built-in 7-inch color LCD for metrics, plus a sturdy media rack designed to run apps on a personal phone or tablet. And crucially, it officially connects with JRNY, Peloton, and Zwift, which is huge if app freedom is the priority. Resistance is granular with 100 levels, and the step-up feels linear, so replicating coach calls like go to 45 is consistent, which endurance brains love. The dual-sided pedals with SPD clips are legit, and the included dumbbells are nice for quick upper body blocks during recovery, though, let's be honest, nobody is maxing out with 3-pounders. Here's where it gets interesting. JRNY access is included at a basic level with a trial for premium features. But the killer feature is the sanctioned connectivity to Peloton and Zwift. So no hacks, no odd Bluetooth workarounds, just pair up and ride, which reduces friction more than people realize. The LCD keeps stats front and center without app lag, and heart rate pairing is straightforward, which makes warm-up zones and threshold holds crisp and predictable. Now the downbacks. First, if the dream is a gorgeous attached touchscreen and in-bike video streaming, this isn't that. It's a bring-your-own screen experience. And some riders really want an all-in system on day one, not a tablet setup. Second, while the frame and adjustability are solid, the vibe is more workhorse than Luxe Studio, and the fanfare is the ecosystem, not the hardware glitz. So if aesthetics motivate, it feels utilitarian. 3. MERACH Exercise Bike. MERACH plays the value card smartly, with a connected experience that leans on its own app, while still keeping the hardware straightforward and quiet, which is often what keeps daily compliance high, not just flashy screens. The ride feel is smooth and controlled, magnetic resistance pairs nicely with cadence work, and zone changes land cleanly, even when shifting up fast on standing climbs, so intervals don't feel mushy. What stands out is how friendly it is for mixed-use households. Quiet belt drive, approachable fit adjustments, and metrics that track the essentials so progress doesn't feel vague. Feature-wise, this segment is about getting the core experience right. Stable frame, predictable resistance, and companion app guidance without forcing a proprietary 20-inch panel onto the bike, which keeps costs down and flexibility up if there's already a tablet in the house. The app approach means program variety and progression templates are available, and when used consistently, the structure helps pull riders through the "I'll do it later" slump, week after week. Here's the nuance. If someone wants deep third-party app integration, like sanctioned Zwift Racing or Peloton Metrics Lockstep, double-check the exact MERACH model's connectivity feature list. Not every budget bike markets official app compatibility at the level of BowFlex or Horizon, and some features sit behind app subscriptions, which is fine, just know the plan. On the flip side, the simpler display approach keeps failure points low, no giant OS to crash, and makes the bike feel like a tool, not a gadget, which a lot of consistent riders prefer.
2. Cursor Fitness Exercise Bike. Cursor Fitness aims squarely at comfort and adjustability while keeping the experience straightforward. A stable stationary platform, clear metrics, adjustable handlebars and seat, and a design that suits longer sessions without fussing with constant micro-tweaks, which matters when stacking 30 to 45-minute rides daily. The chassis is quiet and predictable, and the metric feedback, cadence, speed, distance, time, calories, lands where it should, so progression feels tangible instead of hand-wavy. If the goal is to build an at-home habit without being trapped by one content platform, Cursor's simplicity is refreshing. In testing, the resistance changes felt even and repeatable, especially for sweet spot and threshold blocks where holding a number matters. There's no lurchy ramping or sudden cliffs at higher levels, which is a common complaint on cheaper magnetic systems, and not an issue here. The adjustability range makes it friendly for multiple riders, and the cockpit layout doesn't crowd knees or force weird wrist angles, which sounds small but adds up during longer rides. The trade-off is obvious. Without a giant built-in screen, entertainment and coaching depend on a phone or tablet. But that's not a bad thing anymore, because open devices mean any app, Peloton, Zwift, YouTube classes, can slot in without being locked into a single monthly bill forever.
1. Horizon Fitness 7.0 IC Indoor Cycle Bike. This is the sweet spot. Horizon 7.0 IC marries a serious training feel with modern connectivity and leaves content choice up to the rider, which is the best of both worlds long-term. The electronically controlled magnetic resistance offers 100 levels at the touch of a button, and it responds instantly, perfect for following Peloton-style cues where Zwift workouts where staying on target power matters. The large, high-contrast display gives all the metrics that matter: resistance, cadence, heart rate, watts, time, distance, calories, speed, without lag. And Horizon even includes a Bluetooth heart rate band in the box, which is a nice touch most competitors charge extra for. Here's what makes it the top pick. Official compatibility with Peloton, Zwift, and other fitness apps through Bluetooth means full freedom to follow favorite instructors, race virtual routes, or just stream music and ride. And the open approach protects the investment if app tastes change over time. The precision aluminum flywheel and magnetic system run quiet and smooth, so high cadence work feels buttery rather than choppy, and threshold efforts don't buzz the frame. This matters when stacking structured weeks. Dual-sided pedals with SPD clips and toe cages are included. Fit is truly four-way adjustable, and the cockpit has space for a tablet plus dual bottle holders, which makes actual daily use frictionless. Final thought, that's all for today, folks.